DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut selector.
The industry is big enough for everybody. Everybody can eat. You know what I'm saying? Everybody can eat, gang. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. Love, man. What? Damn. Shoot up the what? Commissioner of prison card this morning. That's crazy, gang. Wild, but yeah, man, it's crazy. Christian, I agree with you, man. You see me? It's too much of, you say it's too much of a coincidence, probably line up. That's probably true. You see me? Imagine a man purpose and go and do the dirt. That's crazy. Yeah, man. Trinidad is a different place. Them shoot up deputy commission. Yeah, man. Yo, Christian, big up yourself, man. Thank you for keeping out. Hey, y'all join the Discord. Link is in the description. Check out any mama video. Links to my Discord. You can join up. We can talk directly. It's like WhatsApp. It's like Facebook. You know, where you message people and you can like send me messages, send me videos. We talk over there. Talk about live and content. So you can tell me more what's going on. All that good stuff, gang. You know what I'm saying? But it's bad, man. You know what I'm saying? The video is dope, but it's crazy. You know what I'm saying? So prayers and love goes out to Trinidad, goes out to DJ Global and his family, and to Cayman 6. Wish you a speedy recovery. Yeah, and hopefully one day everybody can come to a common and mutual understanding. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let's jump back in the vibes. Next one we got is Jahshii, God in Charge. Let's get it, gang. We see what Jahshii talented. Jahshii been coming back with bangers. Norm was crazy. And before Nom, it was reality, dreams to reality. How was he like? And but yeah, music come back with a dope song, talk about what's going on in his life. I wonder if Jaffy's going for drop an album. That'd be good, but that'd be crazy as well. So, but yeah, this one is God in Charge. When did he drop this? 10 months ago. Okay, so, and I haven't heard this. I think I've heard it. Probably don't know what the title is, but let's jump right in the track. This is Jahshii, God in Charge. Let's get it, gang. Jaja.
Lord, forgive me if I sin already. No to myself, me go sin again. Only for them one they sing a berry. And if he come to the test, me I go kill a friend.
Whoa. Yo, when artists do videos like this, is usually symbolizing my kill off them whole self type shit, you know. As I hope you ain't this ain't no right ritual, Jahshii.
Me see people change up and me grow with. Dogs when me used to go the stage show with. When nobody no know it, them no stay the same when they glory. Me go stay different. Now go bumbo clock change myself. No matter how much I care for them. People know.
Hey. Nah, change myself, no, for real, dog. Come in, dog.
Go bumbo clock change myself. No matter how much I care for them. People not really hear myself. They give them a trust and prepare for that. A human.
Shit, that's sad, bro. You see me? Yeah, man, human, no matter how you care for them, my youth, I give them a trust, yeah, man.
People not really hear myself. They give them a trust and prepare for that. A human being and fear pretend. But them no shake me, I fi shake my head. But me find out success, I share my friend.
Damn, man say, yo. Yeah, shame I've shaped my head. When me find out a success, I shame my friend. Oh, my success, I shame me, dog. I make you feel bad, dog. You see me?
Shake my head. When me find out success, I shame my friend. God in charge, and one in a dramatic charge, I mean. Always have it for me.
Best believe, you know. Yeah, dog, say. Yeah, man.
One in a dramatic charge, I mean. Always have it for me. In charge and one in a dramatic charge of me. Always a bit for me.
Make them know to blows and skirt. You see me? Don't. No pussy test. NPT. No pussy test.
I'm the one go make my buy gun when me hear say me treat them on my lie down and me a pen. Enemy in a disguise a fake friend. Drain energy style them in a rating. Can't stop the greatness. God created, but pray for no failing.
Easy now, man, Bumble. Can't stop the greatness, my youth. God created, no failing. I'm telling you.
Bumble, can't stop the greatness. God created, but pray for no failing. My career and the summer for you play with hustle the money daily. Hear me now, see we always see a plane wing.
Easy now, man. They don't want to see we in a Mercedes. Bad man can't say we always see a plane wing. Come in.
Them no want see we in a Mercedes. Bad man can't see we always see a plane wing. Hell got this world too crazy. When me remember Goliath and David them, I got in charge and one in a matic charge of me.
Easy now, man. This bad. Hey, that me have you know music, you know, man. Yeah, man, no bad like yards, man. Come in.
Them, I got in charge and one in a matic charge of me. Always have it for me. Yeah. Got in charge, one in a matic charge. And me always.
Yeah, man. Yeah, I like this one, bro. This might get added to my playlist, nigga, for real.
Have it for me.
I didn't charge, man. I'm to them.
As me wait, me say a prayer, read the Bible first. Before me touch the road, me tuck it in just like my shirt. And me we tell you officer, you have to try for say.
From wait, me say a Bible verse before me touch the street. I have to tuck it like me. Hey, come in, listen.
First, before me touch the road, me tuck it in just like my shirt. And me we tell you officer, you have to try for search. If life I teach, less the way you want me learn. Me no want that before me turn. I fi protect the assets, me know my word. Now go give in, me hold the firm. Jehovah, my God.
To your man, I have to be firm in this, man, mentally strong. Race is not for the swift, but those who can endure it. Get the likes up, gang.
One in the matic charge of me. Always have it for me. Yeah. God in charge and one in the matic charge of me. Always have it for me.
Yeah, man, big tune, man. Shout out to Josh. You see me, I say, Jahshii, I do him thing. You see me, I say, put in the word. They are very talented, man. Come in.
Man in charge, man in the matic charge. Me always have it for me.
Shit creative, bro.
Man in charge.
Put in that work, man. Tune, man. Tune.
DJ, man. Nothing go.
Yeah, man. Tune. To them. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Josh, then. Dope ass track, dog. Yeah, man. Christian said, yo, you never reacted to Y6 boxing her face. Damn. Yeah, my bad, Christian. Didn't I just did boxing her face?